Hello, you're highly welcome. Once again, we are going to look at irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. Now, what is an irregular verb? An irregular verb is a verb that does not follow the rules of grammar. Yes, an irregular verb is a verb that doesn't follow the rules of grammar. Let's look at this. We have eat. It, is it a regular or an irregular verb? It is an irregular verb. Why? Because of it doesn't follow the rules of grammar. Assuming I want to write the past tense of it, can I write E-A-T-E-D? Eated. Is it correct? No, it's not correct. So that is why we say it doesn't follow the rules of what? Grammar. Right? Rather, we have it. It will be changed to what? Ate. We have to change it to what? Ate. That's the past tense of it. And when we want to write the past participle, it's also changed to what? Eating. That is an example of an irregular verb. Eat. That is an example of what? An irregular verb. Now, if we want to look at this, jump. Is jump regular or an irregular verb? Jump is a regular verb because we can add ed to make it what? The past tense, which is what? Jumped. Do you understand? So that is what we are going to look at today. And now these irregular verbs we want to look at, they have three different groups. We are going to look at the three groups with their examples. Now let's look at this. The first irregular verb, remember I said it is grouped into three, right? The first one is irregular verbs with same spelling across all forms. What are the forms? We'll have the base, which is the verb. We'll have the past tense and the past participle. Now, the first group is the same spelling across all forms. Look at one, cut. Am I going to write cutted? How does it sound in the ear? Doesn't sound right. So we have cut is what? Cut as the past tense. And the past participle still remains cut. That is why it is grouped under irregular verbs. Now we have put is still put and put. The third one is hot. Hot, hot, hot. The fourth one is bust. Bust, bust. There's nothing like busted. Fifth one is heat. Heat, heat, and heat. Spread. She spreaded. Does it sound nice? She spreaded the bedsheet. Does it sound right? She spread, spread, spread. And the last one is also spread. So the past tense and the past participle are all the same. They are all spelled the same. Let's look at the second. Now, the second irregular verb, the second group is irregular verbs with same simple past form, and the past participle will be the same. Now we have the verb. The base here is find. What is the past tense of find? Found. And the past participle is also found. Buy is bought. And the past participle is also bought. The third one is think, is taught. And it's also taught here. Catch is caught. The fifth one is build, built. Built. Hang is hung. Have is had. Lead is led. And say is said. said. Now let's look at the third and final group of irregular verbs. Now for this one, we'll have the third group as what? The third group is irregular verbs with completely different spellings for each form. Completely different spellings for each form. We'll have blow. What is the past tense of blue? Blew. Blew. And the past participle is blown. Now let's go to number 2. Arise. We'll have arose. And the past participle is arisen. See. Past is saw. Past participle is seen. Sink. Past tense of sink is sank. Past participle is sunk. Fly is flew. And the past participle is flown. Give is what? Gave. Giving. Take is what? Took. Taking. Begin is began. And the past participle is begun. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Please, if you did, you can give us a thumbs up. You can also follow to encourage our channel. Bye-bye.